Okay, let's do the same thing a little bit faster. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always counting fours. Could you write a song around this? Sure you could. Do we have to do these chords in this order? Well, not necessarily. Work with these. They work. They sound good. They're consonant, which means they sound good. Dissonance, on the other hand, that's sometimes off-putting to many listeners. I appreciate dissonance, and it's an acquired taste. How about quarter notes? Well, we'll get to them next time. A little faster quarter notes next time. All right, excellent.